Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mommy! Happy birthday sa'yo. I'm so blessed kay God for your life. Truly testify talaga yung life mo, ate, as sa kabutihan ng Diyos sa buhay mo. And may the Lord grant your desire in your hearts na ganahan ka mo pa uli, even though dili may ganahan, anyway, kay magunay mong desire na sa imong heart. And I know, Mommy, so thankful, and we loved you. Times of refreshing, love you so much. Enjoy on your very special day. Before maka-treat ko. So, ayun. Happy birthday again, Mommy. God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Ate. I'm so thankful to your life, and I thank God for more years to celebrate to your birthday. And I believe that all your desires in life will be fulfilled. And I'm so thankful that you are a good friend to us and to our family. And thank you, and happy birthday again. May God bless you. And
hello, Ate Tess. Babati lang po ako sa iyo ng happy birthday. Although kahapon manata yung birthday mo, pero belated na lang, Ate Tess, na happiest birthday po. Wish ko sa iyo ay good health. Bigyan ka pa ng mas maraming pang birthday celebrate. Thank you so much for having you sa ating church, and thank you so much, Te, for knowing you at Ate Tess. Thank you so much, Te. Happiest birthday. We love you. We love you so much.
Hello, Mami! Happy birthday! And today is your birthday. So, I hope na na-surprise ka as, you know, kanang sa video greetings kay si Grace Jude, tungkol yun ni Grace. So, anyway, so, akong gikon na may spray na for length of days and long life and peace they will add to you. Sa imong kinabuhi, and sa imong kinabuhi, Mami, na naka sa peace. You know, di na ka usab sa laing musab way. So I know na you're standing with the love of God, and just like in Psalm 20 it says that may He grant you according to your heart desire and fulfill all your purpose. So whatever purpose man na desire sa imong life, desire sa imong sa imong pamilya, desire sa imong husband, desire sa imong mga children, ma-fulfill yun na, because God said that all things work together for good to those who love God and to those who call according to His purpose. So, tanang desire na imong pangalit diya sa Ginoo, mahatag lang man diha kaniya. As you say yes to Him, as you say yes to continue to walk in love, as you say yes to continue to serve God, and more na gina ang mga kaniya ang ato ang mga desire ma-fulfill tungod sa Ginoo. So, and to all Saturday new member, I miss you all. Nila ni Jen, nila ni Grace, I miss you all, and hope to see you guys soon, and hope to see you na makabanding ta in God's will. So bye, happy birthday.
Hi, Mommy Tess. Happy birthday! So, the Lord is good to you. Nakita dyan ako kung sa kamatino dahil Ginoo sa imong kanabuhi through sa mga battles na imong na kinakuan, nagian, pero you stand firm because you are a child of God and you, of course, you are more than conquerors. So, I'm really kanang na-encourage ko sa imong life, imong testimony nga imong gina-share sa amoa. So, thank you for being part of kanang sa akong kinabuhi nga nakaila ka, blessed kay ko, and always remember that you are always mentioned in my prayer and your family. So kanang I see you as one of those kanang people nga kanang kuan good nagdilaab ang pagpangalagad sa Ginoo. So padayon lang ta kay ang Ginoo, so our kanang ang atong pagpangalagad sa Ginoo is naagad yun ni reward, right? So padayon nagpagpangalagad. So na ko i-share ni mga verse nga niingon ang that in Philippians 4:13 nga I can do all things, or you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So God bless ate. Remember that God never leave you nor forsake you. God bless, and praying for your provision, promotion, and protection. Shalom. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Tess! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday me to you! Happy birthday, Ate Tess! Blessed beyond measure. Numbers 7:24-26. The Lord will bless you and keep you safe. The Lord will make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. Happy birthday, Tess! God will satisfy you with long life and good health always. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Teresa! I'm hoping you're having a good day today and you're happy and enjoying your another year of your life. And whatever your desires and plans for you and for your family, I'm hoping, I'm praying that God also hears and grants them. Thank you, Ate Teresa, for being born, and thank you, Ate Teresa, that we get to know you, and I'm happy for you always. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Tess! Happy birthday! Ate, pila na imong edad? Para sure ba? Bitaw. Just kidding, ate. Dili man makita sa imuhang kanang dagway kung pila na imuhang edad, kay you look very young, ate, sa imuhang edad. Makaingon ta nga dili jud ta matiguang kung basta naa nangalagat ta sa tong Ginoo. So kanang once again, ate, happy birthday. Kanang nakita na ako kung unsa ka dedicated sa imong pag-serve ni Lord. Nakita na how you grow, how brave you are sa tanang pagsuway nga imong nagian sa imong kinabuhi. Ang ako lang is kanang padayon lang ta sa atong lungba sa kinabuhi uban sa tabang sa atong Ginoo. And I believe nga kung unsa ang desire nga gibutang sa Ginoo sa imong kasing-kasing, iyan ang pagatumanon. Tungod kay ang atong Ginoo is kanang a promise keeper, a way maker, and a miracle worker. And kabalo ko nga na-prove na nanimo sa imong kagalingon. And once again, happy birthday. Kanang ang verse nimo is Jeremiah 33:3. Call upon me and I will answer you and show you great and mighty things which you do not know. Kanang I believe nga the moment nga motawag ka sa atong Ginoo, He is always there nga answer sa ato ang mga yangungo, sa ato ang mga gipangayo, and He will show you more and great things pagyod. And once again, happy birthday!
Hello, Ate Tess, happy birthday! So today you're celebrating your birth month. You know, it's the monthly celebration, and I truly believe that you guys are celebrating there fruitfully and with so much joy and the joyful celebration because of what God has done in your life. And I stand in the promises of God that length of days are in your right hand, and in your left hand is a riches and honor. So remember this ate, that you are precious in the sight of God. You know how precious you are. You are precious than rubies. So keep the faith burning and be consistent of what you are doing right now to serve God and His people in truth. And so that's all. So happy birthday and God bless you. Bye.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Thank you for everything ma. Thank you sa mga sacrifices nga imong gibuhat para sa pamilya. Labi na sa imong pag-abroad. Even though nga malayo ka diri namo, still imong gibuhat para na ma-provide among needs diri. And appreciate na ako kayo ma. And I wish you good health and utawaban ka permi sa Ginoo sa matagadlaw and ampo lang kanunay ma. And I hope makauli na ka diri para magkuban na tang tanan. And I love you mother.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.